Hey friends, welcome back to another video. So I was receiving tons of messages from different students that is IMAT is going to cancel, is IMAT 2025 is going to cancel or not, what is going to happen, because Italian Ministry Mayor has published a post on their Instagram, on social medias and their website as well. That post said that there will be no interest test to medicine surgery because we need tons of doctors. We need hell lot of doctors, so there will be no medicine. The students will be get admitted and then they will be like on the base of their achievement in first semester they will be awarded admission in medicine and surgery course. But we are going to answer this with the logic and proper research and everything, so you don't have to worry, just stick with this video. And now I am going to answer this question in first part. There will be like two sections of this video. In first part I'm going to answer the is it happening or cancelling, and second thing then I will update you about if it's happening then what you need to do, that is it cancel or not. So it's not cancel, how and why, let me explain you with proper research and all those things. So I emailed the mayor and they replied from after 5 days that they said there are actually before answering the email what they said, let me tell you, there are two medicine and surgery courses. First is in Italian language and second one is in English language. Okay, for English language the medicine and surgery that you give IMAT, that is the requirement, and for the Italian language they're only Italian people, those who want to study in Italian language, they pursue that course. There is 12cm for those who want to study in Italian language. So now they mention, but they did not categorize, is it going to apply on IMAT or is it going to apply on 12cm. So then they they said that because as you know, there was during COVID there was very bad thing happened in Italy, it was the most affected country, and then they are saying right now that we need doctors, more doctors. So now let me tell you, in that email they said that it's not going to cancel IMAT. Okay, IMAT is not going to cancel. The 12cm on the other hand is going to be cancelled in this way, not cancel actually. Students will be awarded admission and then on the base of their achievement and all this thing in first semester they will be awarded admission in next the semester, and that whole they will be doing. But right now let's talk about IMAT. It's not cancelled, so it will be happening as usual. There will be same format and everything that is mentioned in below article. There will be below article in video description that you can read about, each and everything will be mentioned about IMAT, and I have made a proper video for that as well. So IMAT can't cancel actually. Why? There are two main reasons behind this thing. First reason is that although there are limited seats, okay, there are 1200 to 1500 seats are for non-Europeans. All the students from around the globe, European and non-European, will be competing to study in medicine in English in Italian universities. So there is going to be hell lot of students actually in 2024. There will 11,000 applicants applied, and let me tell you important thing here. Now seats are very limited and students are huge. So how Italian ministry, if they cancel IMAT, how they are going to award them, how they are going to give them admission? There will be very high criteria. Okay, if they cancel it then there will be very huge criteria. They can't award admission seats are 1500 and applicants applying are 15,000, 20,000. How you will fit those 20 huge crowd in these little seats? So that's very questionable. And second reason behind and the second biggest reason, that is the main reason behind any interest test, specifically medical test, that is that actually assesses students. Okay, that assesses students either you are going to survive your next 5 years of medicine, because that is very true. Okay, I was discussing with my roommate that if you cannot survive your entry test, the medicine entry test, for example IMAT, PMAT, MCAT, all those tests, if you can't survive that, you cannot survive the next 5 to 6 years of your med school. That is very hard, because there will be very long hours, there will be very lengthy course. If you can't study for this little test, then how you're going to study for big thing? You will get to know all about this thing when you will get in med school. Actually you will see everything, everything will be clear. All the talks that I'm talking now you are imagining and I am suffering, you will get to through it. But right now let me tell you important thing. It's easy. Okay, it's not it's very hard, but it's not that, but it's hard. Okay, it's really hard. Now I hope you guys got this thing. IMAT is not cancelled. It will happen. There will be like same pattern. There will be same syllabus. Although the syllabus changes a little bit, you will get update. Just follow me, like subscribe this channel, and follow me on Instagram. That is Sami Qamar, and you will get to know all about everything. Okay. So now let's talk about the second section of this video. That is, if you are 2025 aspirant, then what things you need to know about IMAT. If you don't have got any information about IMAT, then I'm going to like explain you. So what is IMAT, what is its syllabus, what will be its like number of questions and all those things, and then there will be how I should be preparing. All those things are going to I'm answering in this section of video. So first of all, let me tell you, there is going to be like a very huge discussion that I have done this. Okay, in past I had conducted a webinar in which I have explained everything. That is like 1 hour. I'm going to recommend you go and watch that thing. But now let me explain you how you are going to get all this information in this single video. So I have organized all these information, okay, all these information in chunks of playlist that is available on my YouTube channel. So if you go to YouTube my channel, first of all I want you to watch this like lengthy video that is 1.3 hours that says everything, all the process. If you're European or non-European, it will be explaining all the process. What is the first step like you should be doing when pre-enrollment opens, when application opens, once like scholarship, what is scholarship deadline for each university. I have explained which books you need to prepare from and how you will be preparing for each section. Actually, biology, chemistry, logical reasoning, general knowledge, each and every section with books, with all the like resources, videos and all those things I have mentioned in this like lengthy video. After watching that, I will encourage you, there is an article, okay, written below. I want you to go there, and there will be a separate section for each thing. Okay, for example, is it syllabus? What is the syllabus? You will get the PDF and all the explanation for that syllabus. That is like 4 to 5 hours of classes, master classes actually I have made. So you will get that, and then there will be books, videos separate, and then there will be PDFs available there. You can download them. That will be actually absolutely free, no pennies at all. Okay, no penny, why 2 pennies? So it will be absolutely free. And then there will be an important thing, that is IMAT lectures. Okay, I have explained that there is going to be like one lecture I have uploaded my YouTube video, and then there are like other lectures that you can consume, okay, from different resources. I have mentioned that are free. Okay, I haven't like told any paid thing any at all. If you can pay, although if you can pay, you will get high value. I have mentioned that as well, but I am going to make in future what you need to know. And in last, there are articles that is explaining IMAT past cutoff, so that you can get an idea if you are IMAT 2025 aspirant. So you need to know, but you don't have to worry about. Just go into below article. There will be below article. You have to click on that, and then you will get all the information categorized there. There will be table of contents above, so you can read all those things what you are going to get. So just go through each and every section, because this is the article that is going to change everything for you. So I hope you are understanding. This will make you like give you all the information regarding IMAT and what is the process for MBBS, and then how you should be doing that. And in last, I would say, do not be get scammed. Okay, be mature, be like open up your mind, and must understand that the market is full of scammers. So do not get in trap of that, because I have seen that. And I hope you are understanding and you are more intelligent than me. So just I hope you got a little bit value out of it, and there will be like tons of more videos coming, so do not miss them. Just subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram. That is blah 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 Sami Qamar. So follow that, and there is my website link down below. You can check out all the resources and everything related to IMAT. I hope it helped. So thanks for watching. New videos are coming that will be like very full of very great information and very great, I can't say what it will be. Anyway, that will be great. So bye bye. See you in next video. Click on this video that will like get you to that 1.3 hours class, and there will be playlist. Okay, there will be playlist of I don't know what is it. So bye bye. See you in next video. Till bye bye.